trucks.
Oh, whoa.
What's your round count?
200. Go.
Fire to your right. We have friendlies in that pink building.
We're set it off, go. 2-3 rounds.
Shouldn't have any, on
We
the
have
village
no front by the church?
No.
No, there's still,
There shouldn't be anybody in the village.
Still fucking further.
Oh, yeah, there.
Alright, 1104, enemy spotted.
Agent.
Last fires assets be fired in vicinity of phase line orange in line with the church to destroy enemies in that tree line. How copy?
Eagle 6, this is 1-7. 3-6, Eagle 6, acknowledge all, break. 1-7, send your traffic. Enemy personnel are retrograding out of box. Sir, I believe they are about to map.
You gotta preserve ammo. They have a long fucking good.
Okay, it's gonna go last time.
So you can't get through this unless you get through the entrance and go all the way through.
I'll figure it out. Let's go.
Cool.
You guys land
Land
as
real-
we to this
land real
next
quick.
support by fire. You get that drone back up in the air, okay?
Roger that, sir.
Alright.
I'm
You got
gonna
it?
fly it.
Hey,
Ready?
this is Mark. Don't crash it. UGV up. Keep looking for any entrance of the bunker. Keep. Snipers in there. Get it off my head. Snipers in there. Tell me it's clear. Yes.
3631, we have entered the front door. Rolling T, rolling T. In a rolling T.
And Captain wants you to fly. Break. We'll radio up if we decide to mount. How copy?
You ready, sir? Throw it up, sir.
Throw it up.
Yep.
Get your dudes moving.
Who's gonna fly?
In 1-0, Mike.
My name is Staff Sergeant Nunez. I'm with Eagle Troops, 2nd Squadron, 2nd Cavalry Regiment. I am an infantryman, and what we're out here doing is we are implementing new counter-UAS systems into infantry tactics in order so that we are able to be in any fight against any enemy. Right now, we are implementing them at a troop level, company level, and the squadron level. We are just seeing how they work. We're using them for reconnaissance, we're using them for strike, and also we have jammers and detectors for any drones, class 1 through 4, and we are utilizing them to best be able to maneuver on the enemy, close with and destroy, as is our job.